it feels like the world's falling down, I'll be there to lift you from the ground. Don't be afraid, just let me in, love me and I'll do the same.
Hey everybody, it's Marquita, and it's me, Marquita.
And that is Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy's behind the camera, and we're here doing the Good Thin crackers. And this one is the chickpea one, garlic and herb. I don't think I ever had this one. I can honestly say I don't think so, but we will find out. I think I had the last one. You can watch that review of the last video that I just did. I'm doing all 4 videos. I'm planning on doing 4 videos. I'm doing all 4 of them in one sitting, because if y'all don't notice, I don't have any energy and I am very much going to do this. I got Stone Tap on Thursday and today's Monday. And I haven't felt good since I got to Stone Tap. Yeah, I know she moved. It's okay, just relax. But I'm sorry. Forgive me for my low energy. Put that back. Stop. Whoa, that got a lot of flavor. It smells like chickpeas.
That's been what?
Chickpeas and paprika.
That's me.
Smell this, Gary. See if it smells like chickpeas and paprika to you.
There's a little bit of a garlicky smell.
Well, I don't smell.
No.
I smell paprika.
Well, it probably has some in it because it's herbs.
Nice smell. That means smells crackers.
They're silly. The girls are silly.
Are you serious?
Sit up.
You will lose the chance.
Eat it. That one should be pretty good.
I like it.
And this is what it looks like. I think C-Snack should do these. If I
Yep,
had
you're doing
enough
first.
money- Hannah, please stop. Daddy can see. Daddy can see. If I had enough money, I would send this to him. But I would also send him a big care box, and I would want him to try
You
different
can
things.
suggest it to him. He can go pick one
Well,
up.
I know he probably already did, and I just missed
Probably.
the video. See, Snacks, if you're watching this, which you
This
probably
snack is
won't.
some benefit.
Well, I can't even tell you to try because I haven't tried it yet. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
You can try all the good thins. There's about 12 or 13 different kinds. Maybe more.
It's bringing back a childhood memory, but I can't pull it out.
Mommy, this is not the phone.
Oh. I can't even because
I smell a little like that bag of veggie crackers we got from Sam's that time. It had a bunch of vegetables in it and herbs.
name some some soft crackers, not Ritz, like crackers.
Captain's crackers. Captain wafers.
Like here, see if you the consistency is what I'm thinking of.
Daddy,
I mean,
It's a chicken in a basket.
chicken in a basket.
That's what they taste like. Chicken in a basket.
That's what it is. I was saying childhood, we got them from the Baptist Center.
We had it
all
every
the
year for New
time.
Year's.
Well, I got them from the Baptist Center every time, Second Harvest gave food.
Yeah. Chicken in a basket. That's what they taste
Chicken
like.
in the, I was saying childhood.
Yeah.
Hannah. Thank you. Okay. Sorry. Didn't mean to go down memory lane. If y'all don't know what the Baptist Center is, yes, they've seen it. If you don't know what the Baptist Center, we're not done yet. You're going to miss it on the last chip. Calm down, please. If you don't know what the Baptist Center is, the Baptist Center it's a organization that gives out food to people that they don't have food. And it's not only the Baptist Center. It's a food pantry. It's a food pantry. But they do other things. But I used to go to the Baptist Center for vacation Bible school, for, the kids Bible study, clothing locker, or clothing closet, which you go and get like 2 or 3 outfits. Or, go down to see what they got in the clothing closet. You get a bag of food, Yeah, we already tried that one. And you get a bag of food. That's what the Baptist Center is. And whatever Second Harvest used to bring to the Baptist Center, they just, whatever it was, they tried to evenly sort it into like bags. And I think, we were a family of 3, so we got like 1 bag. Sometimes we got lucky and got 2 bags. And whatever, you never know what you're going to get in the bag until, you look in it. So it's not like, okay, you go there and you can pick out what you want. No, it's pre-bag things. Like, it was like Christmas morning when you used to get peaches. That was, the commodities. If y'all don't know what the commodities are, commodities was like when I was little. Put your shirt down. Do not show your... Pause it. I'm sorry for the interruption.
No commodities.
Commodities was like a rich uncle taking you to the store once a month. I think it was once a month. I'm going to say once a month. And what you got from the commodities was, and most people don't like it, it's like I see people on YouTube, on Facebook, or different shows. I see different people talking about, like, oh my God, you was awful. Government cheese. Commodities was pretty much government food. And what it was, you get a big old block of government cheese, a big old jar of the Hannah, please stop. Big old jar of the government peanut butter. Sometimes if you was lucky, if you was one of the lucky 50, you got like 3 or 4 rations in your box. And what else do they do? See, government cheese, government peanut butter, the government elbow noodles. And I say government because I have not found a cheese, a peanut butter, or elbow macaroni noodles, not with the cheese. I guess that's why you get the big blocks of government cheese. that has tasted like that. It was a unique taste, and I really did. I seriously thought about joining the army just to get the government cheese. Like, yes, I'm fat. I am that fat.
That's from schools.
Well,
It's the same thing in schools.
well, it didn't taste the same as
Well, it
schools.
was because Mom got commodities. That's
I
where.
love the government cheese. I really like everybody, like bull aside. I'm not like I didn't join because like I don't like violence of any, like not even yelling at somebody. But I didn't join I didn't join the army because, or I thought about joining for the government cheese
The rations.
and for the rashes or MREs. Meal
Meal replacement, something.
meal replacement meal.
No, MRA. It's meal replacement.
Whatever. The rations. If y'all old like me, y'all know them as rations. I almost joined the army for the rations and the government cheese, and I'm dead serious. I didn't because I'm just not. I can't. I won't be able to perform in the army. But back to that. These taste like chicken in the basket. They're crackers. I do recommend these. My stomach's starting to hurt. Sorry, I just realized that. I do recommend these. They took me back to my childhood. I will be eating these also. But yes, hopefully y'all like this video. Thumbs up. Watch the other two videos that I did. And
thumbs up.
please watch the next one that I'm about to do right fast. I'm going to try to push it out. So please watch it. Bye.